Hello everyone, welcome back to Machines Visit. But before we begin, here's something that visits surprise you. Every single year, American farmers harvest over 1.9 billion pounds of green cabbage.
Sure did.
Sounds simple, right? Not quite, because behind this everyday vegetable, there's a story most people never see. Green cabbage is quietly taken over American kitchens. It's everywhere. Crunchy coleslaw at barbecues, sizzling stir-fries, even at tangy sauerkraut people either love or absolutely hate. But what makes it truly powerful isn't just taste. It's packed with vitamin K, vitamin C, and fiber that can seriously impact your health. Now here's where things get interesting. The journey of green cabbage doesn't start in your kitchen. It begins in vast, carefully controlled fields where every single plant is monitored like it actually matters, because it does. Farmers don't just grow cabbage. They manage a system where one mistake can cost thousands. And when harvest season hits, that's when everything changes. Massive machines roll into the fields, moving with precision that almost feels unreal. But here's the twist. Despite all this technology, the process still depends heavily on human judgment. One wrong cut, one damaged head, and it's rejected. From there, everything moves fast. At the factory, what looks like a simple vegetable goes through a transformation that's far more complex than you'd expect. Advanced systems, strict quality control, and expert handling, all working together to create something that ends up on your dinner table. So the next time you see a cabbage, remember it's not just food. It's a result of a high-stakes process hidden in plain sight. Let's break it all down. Today's star? Green cabbage, a familiar sight on American dining tables. But what most people don't realize is just how dominant it really is. Grown heavily in California's fertile fields, green cabbage accounts for nearly 70% of total U.S. cabbage production, generating billions of dollars every year. But here's the part no one talks about. Harvest season isn't just busy, it's intense. Fields come alive with machines that move in perfect rhythm, almost like a well-rehearsed operation. It looks smooth, but behind that smoothness is pressure, timing, and zero room for error. Modern harvesting machines are the real powerhouses here. Quiet, efficient, and brutally precise. Equipped with razor-sharp blades, they cut each cabbage right at the stem in seconds. No hesitation, no second chances. And the speed? It's almost unbelievable. These machines can harvest anywhere between 25,000 to 45,000 pounds of cabbage every single hour. Let that sink in. Once cut, the cabbages move along soft conveyor belts. But here's another detail most people miss. This isn't just transport. It's the first stage of selection. Outer leaves are stripped away automatically, not just for appearance, but to return nutrients back to the soil. Nothing is wasted. Then comes human inspection. Workers stand by, watching closely, trimming, adjusting, making sure every cabbage looks nearly identical. Because in this industry, consistency isn't optional. Once approved, the cabbages are packed into massive containers, some holding up to 65,000 pounds. From there, they're rushed off for processing, still fresh, still intact. But here's the twist. Despite all this automation, not everything is machine-driven. In some regions, farmers still rely on hand harvesting. And surprisingly, it's not outdated. It's strategic. Using sharp knives, they carefully select only the best cabbages, placing them onto moving conveyor systems right beside them. It's a hybrid system, human skill combined with machine efficiency. Each container holds around 500 to 1,000 pounds, and even with manual work involved, a single farmer can harvest up to 400 pounds per hour. That's not slow, it's calculated precision. In certain farms, the process gets even faster. Cabbages are packed directly in the field, cutting down transport time. Within hours, they're already on trucks, heading to factories. And that's where the real transformation begins. Once they arrive, these cabbages are no longer just crops. They're products in the making. Some will be sold fresh, clean, and ready to use. Others? They'll be turned into something completely different. Tangy, fermented sauerkraut with flavor that divides opinions instantly. For fresh cabbage, the process starts with intense cleaning. Each head is washed thoroughly, removing every trace of dirt and impurities. Then comes sorting. Machines equipped with advanced sensors scan each cabbage, checking size, color, and quality. Only the best move forward. The rest? Rejected without hesitation. Next, the selected cabbages head to packaging. Wrapped tightly in food-safe plastic, labeled, sealed, ready for markets, or even international export. But the story doesn't end there, because what happens to the rejected cabbages is something most people never think about. Then comes a stage where everything changes. The cabbages are moved into the cutting area. But this isn't just slicing vegetables. This is where raw produce is transformed into something entirely different. As soon as they arrive, high-precision machines take over, cutting each cabbage into perfectly measured pieces, or shredding it into thin, ribbon-like strands. It almost looks delicate, like green silk moving in motion. But don't be fooled by how smooth it looks. Every cut has to be exact. Too thick, and the texture is ruined. Too thin, and the quality drops. There's no room for inconsistency here. These finely shredded strands are carried along conveyor belts to a second washing stage. This step might seem minor, but it's critical. Any remaining dirt, any tiny impurity left behind could compromise the final product. By the end of this stage, what started as a rough vegetable is now clean, crisp, and nearly ready to eat. From there, things get more interesting. The shredded cabbage is blended with colorful vegetables, bright carrots, deep red cabbage, creating a mix that looks as good as it tastes. A light seasoning is added, just enough to enhance the natural flavor without overpowering it. The result? A fresh, nutrient-rich coleslaw that feels simple, but is anything but. But not all cabbage follows this path. When green cabbage is first in a factory, they're loaded onto powerful conveyor systems that pull them deeper into the facility. The first stop is a core removal system, machines designed to strip out the tough inner core at incredible speed, processing up to 10,000 pounds per hour. Fast, efficient, and unforgiving. After that, human workers step in. And this is where things slow down. For a reason, each cabbage is inspected by hand. Outer leaves that look even slightly damaged, wilted, or affected by pests are removed immediately. Machines can do a lot, but they still can't match human judgment when it comes to quality. Only the best move forward. The remaining cabbage is then sent to specialized shredding machines, slicing it into uniform strips at speeds of up to 15,000 pounds per hour. And here's something most people don't realize. This consistency isn't just for appearance. It directly affects what happens next. Fermentation. As the cabbage is shredded, it's mixed with a carefully controlled amount of salt and spices. The salt isn't just for flavor. It pulls water out of the cabbage, creating the exact conditions needed for fermentation to begin. And this is where things take a surprising turn. The cabbage is transferred into massive stainless steel vats, or sometimes even traditional wooden barrels. Oxygen is removed, creating an anaerobic environment. No air, no interference, just time and bacteria. Workers then compress the cabbage, sometimes using machines, but in many cases, they still rely on an old, almost unexpected method, stomping it down by foot. It sounds primitive, but it works. It removes trapped air and ensures even fermentation. For the next 7 to 14 days, something almost invisible begins to happen. Natural bacteria start breaking everything down. The cabbage slowly transforms, developing that sharp, tangy flavor that people instantly recognize. This isn't just preservation, it's controlled transformation. And here's the twist. If anything goes wrong during the stage, the entire batch can be lost. Temperature, salt levels, timing, everything has to be perfect. Once the sauerkraut reaches its ideal flavor, it moves on to packaging. Automated systems fill sterilized bags or glass jars, removing excess air to lock in freshness and extend shelf life. Every unit is sealed, labeled, and prepared for distribution. But even now, it's not done. Each batch goes through a final quality inspection, because no matter how advanced the process is, one mistake can still slip through. This entire system, machines, workers, tradition, and precision, works together to meet a growing global demand. And the impact? It's massive. Green cabbage production contributes billions of dollars every year to the U.S. economy, securing its place as a global leader in agriculture. From California's endless fields to processing plants across the Midwest, every step reflects a level of effort most people never see. What looks like an ordinary vegetable is actually part of something much bigger. So now you've seen the full journey, from raw fields to the final product on your plate. And maybe the next time you eat cabbage, you'll realize it's not just food. It's the result of pressure, precision, and a process where almost nothing is left to chance. Every cabbage carries a story of effort, risk, and transformation. Thanks for being part of this journey. And if this surprised you even a little, make sure to like and subscribe, because there are many more stories like this, hidden behind the things we see every day. See you in the next video.